Hello everyone, welcome back to SeaSpeak English, the channel where we learn English for seafarers and English learners around the world. I hope all of you are doing well today. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our future English lessons. In today's video, I would like to talk about the woman I admire. This topic will help you improve your English speaking, vocabulary, and pronunciation. So let's begin. The woman I admire. Today, I would like to talk about the woman I admire. The woman I admire is someone I met a few years ago. She is kind, intelligent, and hardworking. Although we are not family, she has inspired me in many ways. One of the reasons I admire her is her positive attitude. She always smiles and stays optimistic. Even when life becomes difficult, she believes that every challenge is an opportunity to grow and become stronger. Her positive mindset motivates everyone around her. Another reason I admire her is her kindness. She always helps people without expecting anything in return. She listens carefully, gives good advice, and treats everyone with respect. She is also a very responsible person. Whatever she starts, she always finishes it with dedication and commitment. She never gives up easily. I also admire her confidence. She is not afraid to face new challenges or learn new things. She believes that learning is a lifelong journey. Whenever I talk to her, I feel encouraged to become a better person. She reminds me to work hard, stay humble, and never stop learning. Because of her, I have learned the importance of honesty, patience, respect, and perseverance. To me, she is more than someone I know. She is an inspiration and a role model. I truly admire her, and I hope to have the same positive attitude in my own life. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy today's English speaking practice and learn some new vocabulary and expressions. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice every single day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes too, because every mistake is a step towards success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to SeaSpeak English for more English lessons and speaking practice. If you have any suggestions for our next topic, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you once again. Stay positive, keep learning, and stay safe. See you in the next video. Goodbye everyone.